guys, we are back in here right now. We're in China, Shanghai, China Toy Fair 2025. And right now, Neo is here, special host for you. And what's your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Kelvin.
Kelvin.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. What's the name of the company?
Our name company is ZhangZhou HuaDaWei Limited Company.
Okay, ZhangZhou HuaDaWei, guys. Cool. So here we're gonna talk about beautiful models, beautiful replicas of cars, beautiful 136, 132 scale car models. So it's really cool. And they've got a wide list of brands they work together, big collaborations. And first one we can start with Tokido. Beautiful. So please, let's have a look. What's special about this? I see it's really beautiful here, so colorful and such a palette. Please, yeah, introduce, please.
Yeah, actually we just got the licenses in this recent year, and then we have already 8 and 10 models here, and then all of them are licensed, and then can be worldwide.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
I also want to mention, guys, so the company was founded in which year?
Yeah.
In 2010.
Yeah, 2010.
The company was founded in 2010, so more than 15 years of experience, guys. 80,000 square meters of production facilities and 500 employees, guys. So it's a pretty big deal. And of course, I believe that OEM, ODM possible, right?
Yeah, it is possible.
That's great. How about MOQ?
The MOQ for each model, for each design is about 500 pieces.
That's great. Guys, so I'm gonna later show you and share with you the contact details with the company, of this company with you, because yeah, this is the live streaming here, the lifetime experience here is cool. So just stay in touch with us, and I'm gonna share the contact details with you. Good. So this is the top product here. Let's move on to the top product number 2. Okay, stay tuned with us. Okay guys, so here we're at this booth, at this stand. There's a big collaboration between Ultraman and HuaDaWei. So let's demonstrate what we got here.
Yeah, actually this is the new license in this year, and then this is quite functionable, and then we open the door. There is a light and the sun here, and then we could open
the music coming, guys.
Yeah, the music will become.
Yeah.
And then also the roof also could be open. Yeah, and it's also open.
Okay, pretty cool. Alarmers here, guys.
Yeah, and then in very details.
That's right. So your kids can play and enjoy it, guys, 100%. Both combining the power of the cars and the beauty of Ultraman. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, actually this is another hot model in keep hiring, and then we could also open the door.
Okay,
and then it comes with the plastic stand and then the plastic box.
Okay, collection models here, guys. Okay, pretty cool. See the one? Keith Haring Toyota Supra, guys. All for you. Huge one. So MOQ 500 pieces, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. OEM, ODM possible, right?
Possible, yes, it's possible.
That's great. Okay. How about delivery time? Usually like how
Usually
many?
like around 50 days, something.
Okay, it really depends, because they have the warehouses both in America, Europe, and Asia, guys. So it's pretty cool thing, because they've got all the products in stock. Anyway, you should contact them. I'm going to share the details with you just in a while. So thank you again, guys.